If your push mower is eating your weekend on a yard that's gotten too big, this video is for you. Covering the 7 best riding lawnmowers in 2026. Gas tractors, zero turns, and electric models that mow 4 acres on one charge. All links in the description. Stick around, the #1 pick does something no other mower here can do. Starting at number 7, the Greenworks 80-volt 42-inch, the best battery-powered lawn tractor for homeowners who want gas tractor power without the gas. Early battery tractors had the look but never the muscle. The Greenworks 80-volt changes that. First, an 80-volt true brushless motor with cyclone cut pushes 32 horsepower gas equivalent and keeps blade speed constant through thick grass. Next, a 42-inch reinforced 12-gauge steel deck with up to 2 acres of mowing on a single charge. Finally, a premium high back seat, LED headlights, and a cargo bin. Creature Comfort's entry tractors skip. Cons? 4 80-volt batteries to charge and rotate, 5 miles per hour top speed. Cyclone tech is new. Best for 1 to 2 acre owners who want raw power without a tank. Not for budget shoppers or ego platform owners. At $4,499.99, the most powerful battery lawn tractor available. Need gas tractor torque without the tank? This is it. At number 6, the Craftsman 42-inch, the best mainstream gas riding mower for typical residential lawns. The 36 is for gates, the 42 is for open backyards, longer passes, faster mowing. Same trusted Craftsman platform, scaled up. First, a 42-inch stamped steel deck with optional mulching kit. Cuts a 2-acre yard in fewer passes than any smaller deck here. Next, a 17.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. Real power jump over the 36 for tall grass and incline. Finally, heavy-duty 15x6 front and 20x8 rear wheels with an 18-inch turning radius, stable on uneven ground. Cons: manual 7-speed, not hydrostatic. Low back seat gets tiring on long sessions. No LED lights. Best for half-acre to 2-acre homeowners on a budget. Not for zero-turn fans or steep hills. At $2,099, the right pick if your yard is wide open. Want simple and proven? Start here. Number 5, the Greenworks 60-volt 30-inch, the best compact battery electric riding mower for small to mid-sized yards. Every spring with a gas mower starts the same. Old fuel, stuck choke, new spark plugs. The Greenworks cuts that ritual. Battery in, key on, mow. First, a 30-inch 4-in-1 stamped steel deck. Side discharge, mulch, bag, or rinse through a built-in deck wash port. 1 deck, 4 jobs. Next, a 16 horsepower gas equivalent brushless motor with Smart Cut. Auto adjusts power when the blade hits thicker grass so it never bogs. Finally, 4 60-volt 8-ampere-hour batteries included, enough to cut up to 1.25 acres on a single charge. Cons: 1.25 acre charge limit. Bigger yards need a mid-cut recharge. No bagger included. Tow tops at 200 pounds. Best for half-acre to 1.25 acre owners done with gas. Not for 2-acre lawns or no garage power. At $3,699.99, the easiest way to leave the gas can behind. Done with oil? This is your move. Number 4, the Husqvarna Z246, the best entry-level zero-turn for homeowners ready to graduate from lawn tractors. A lawn tractor on a residential lot is a wide truck in a tight space. Every tree, every bed corner becomes a 3-point turn. The Z246 ends that geometry tax. First, a 22 horsepower Briggs excellent injection engine, engineered for cold starts and consistent power through a full mow. Next, a Hydro Gear Easy Steer technology transmission, 6.5 miles per hour forward with pivot turns tight enough to circle a tree without backing up. Finally, a 46-inch stamped 2-blade mower deck with a 3.5-gallon fuel tank, full afternoon between refills. Cons: 2-blade deck, not 3-blade, slight inconsistency in tall grass, no LED headlights, mulching and bagging kits sold separately. Best for 1 to 2 acre homeowners ready for real zero turn speed, not for hilly terrain or first-time riders. At $3,799, the cheapest credible zero turn from a major brand. Tired of 3-point turns? This is your upgrade. Number 3. The Husqvarna Z254F, the best premium gas zero-turn for homeowners with 2 acres and no patience for slow mows. Every extra inch of deck width removes a pass per row. On 2 acres, a 46-inch deck adds an hour over a 54. The Z254F cuts time as much as grass. First, a 54-inch clear-cut deck, deep deck design, best-in-class airflow, blades engineered to lift grass for a cleaner finish. Next, a 23-horsepower Kawasaki engine, the engine known for legendary reliability in this class. Finally, a hydrostatic, no-maintenance transmission with dual levers and a high-back seat for long mow comfort. Cons: mulch and bag kits sold separately. Bigger footprint, needs real garage space. No LED headlights for dusk mowing. Best for 1.5 to 2 acre homeowners who want the fastest residential cut. Not for half-acre yards or tight storage garages. At $3,899, the widest deck here paired with the engine name everyone knows. Fastest cut? This is it. Quick reminder, hit like and subscribe if this is helping. Product links are in the description. Now to the top 2. Number 2. The Ego Power Plus TR4204, the best full-size electric riding mower for homeowners ready to leave gas behind. Old battery mowers were toys. Finish half an acre, then recharge. The new Ego platform is built like a real tractor and runs like one. First, a 21-horsepower gas-equivalent powertrain that pushes the deck up to 6 miles per hour, the same pace as the gas models above. Next, 6 56-volt 6-ampere-hour batteries included. Cuts up to 1.5 acres per charge, with room to add more for longer runs. Finally, dual belt-free brushless cutting motors under a 42-inch deck with 12 height settings, cruise control, and a digital display. Cons: 6 batteries to track. Not a zero-turn. Wider radius than the Husqvarna's. Garage outlet required for daily use. Best for 1 to 1.5 acre homeowners wanting full electric reliability. Not for 2+ acre yards or anyone without garage power. At $3,999, the most complete electric tractor on the market. Done with gas forever? This one actually delivers. Now the number 1 pick. It runs on the same battery platform as 75 other tools. Here it is. The number 1 best riding lawnmower in 2026 is the Ego Power Plus ZT5207L, the most advanced residential mower you can buy today. Every gas zero-turn still needs gas, oil, plugs, and a yearly winterization. The ZT5207L is the world's first platform-compatible rider. First, a 25-horsepower gas-equivalent powertrain running 4 to 8 miles per hour. True zero-turn speed, zero fuel. Second, 656-volt 12-ampere-hour arc batteries included, cuts up to 4 acres on one charge. Third, those same batteries power 75+ Ego 56-volt tools, trimmer, blower, chainsaw, snow thrower. One ecosystem, every yard job. Fourth, zero-turn radius on a 52-inch deck with peak power plus pulling from all 6 batteries at once. Cons: the most expensive option here. 6 batteries to charge and rotate. Premium investment, not casual. Best for 2 to 4 acre owners on the Ego ecosystem, not for budget shoppers or gas purists. At $6,999, the rider that runs on the same batteries as your trimmer and blower. Want the absolute top? This is it. That's the 7 best riding lawnmowers in 2026. From a budget tractor that fits through gates to an electric zero-turn that runs your whole tool ecosystem. Drop a comment. Which one fits your yard? Links are in the description. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.